How to turn off professional account on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So when you tap on your profile, you can see the option of professional dashboard. So this shows that you have a professional account. So if you want to turn off the professional account on Instagram, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and here under For Professionals, you can see the option of Creator Tools and Controls. So select on Creator Tools and Controls. As you do that, scroll down and here you can see the option of Switch Account Type. So select on Switch Account Type option. Now you can switch to your personal account, so simply select on Switch to Personal Account. Tap on Switch to Personal Account, and as you tap on it, you just have to wait for a few seconds and then go back, and you can see in your profile there is no option of professional dashboard, so which means we have turned off the professional account on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.